Good morning from off-grid in remote Alaska. This is L.A. Eaton. The sun is trying to come up this morning. It's 17 degrees here and it's pretty in the bay. However, you will see as the tide, that was a little abrupt. As the tide is moving out, it's pulling ice along with it. The ice is fresh water. Fresh water is lighter than the salt water. And up there in that dark area, we have the Zacher River. And so as it comes out, it does not mix super quickly with the salt water and tends to freeze. And this morning, as the tide is going out, it's pulling the ice with it. When and if the sun does break through, it will melt fairly quickly, but on days like today, trying to have a plane land is a little sketchy. We've already informed my brother-in-law who flies, who is not coming today because although it looks calm here, it is very windy up high still and gusting. We have hunters that are in camp. You can see the lights on in some of the cabins, who were supposed to leave on Saturday and are stuck here due to the wind. And it does not look like the plane will be coming today either. This is part of remote living. The weather dictates what you do. And in this case, what you do is just sit and wait. There's a lot of hurry up and wait. We hurried up Saturday, and well, we knew it was going to blow Saturday. Good morning, Billy. We hurried Saturday to get around for the pickup for the hunters, and did not happen because of the wind, and now we're dealing with wind and a little bit of ice. The ice in the bay will it's dangerous to land in, for one, but also there's the whole, if it's too cold, the plane ices over you. When you're landing in the water, the spray is going up onto the plane, and you do not want any of your moving parts to freeze up. So today it is a good day to stay inside, to just cuddle up in a blanket and wait out the cold and wait for the wind to die so that the planes can start moving again. Remote living is remote, and sometimes you don't go places, even if you have a scheduled flight. So that is just all part of living here, and it was very hard to get used to that at the very beginning when I first began coming out here. You know, you schedule a day to go and you go. That's the way it works in the lower 48. And when I grew up there, you know, snowstorm might stop you in Michigan, tornadoes in other places, you know, but it's random and not very often. But here, the weather, because we're an island and we do get weather, it does stop you from moving around when you want. You go when you schedule, and then you go when you can. So that's what's happening here today in the bay, and I will talk to you again soon.